So let's talk about Portland leather goods, PLG. You've probably seen them. They're all over social media feeds.
Oh, yeah, everywhere.
And the one question we keep getting is about the price. I mean, how are they selling what they claim is full grain leather for so little?
Right.
It just feels, well, it feels almost too good to be true.
And that skepticism is, it's completely valid.
Mm-hmm.
When you see a term like full grain, which is the best quality you can get, at those prices, your first thought is, what's the catch?
Exactly.
So our mission for this deep dive is to figure that out. Is the catch that they're skimping on quality, or is it just a really, really smart business model?
Okay, so let's start with the trust factor, the hard numbers. Is this a serious company?
It absolutely is. I mean, this isn't some fly-by-night operation. They've been around for a decade now.
A decade is pretty established.
It is. And get ready for this number because the sources point this out, and it's just jaw-dropping. They have over 360,000 five-star reviews.
Wait, 360,000?
On Trustpilot alone.
That number sounds, I mean, that's almost unbelievable for any online brand. Are we sure those numbers aren't, being gamed somehow?
That's a fair question. The sources do confirm the scale is legitimate. But for anyone worried about the safety of just ordering online, there's an even better metric.
Okay.
Scam Advisor. They gave PortlandLeatherGoods.com a perfect trust score. 100 out of 100.
Wow. Okay, a perfect score, so it's definitely safe to use.
The trust infrastructure is absolutely solid.
All right, so they're legit, but that still doesn't answer the price question. Full grain leather is expensive, period. So how is PLG pulling this off?
This is the really cool part. It's their entire philosophy. It really boils down to three things. First, they are all about upcycling.
Upcycling.
Yeah. They source all their leather as a byproduct from the American beef industry.
Ah, so they aren't paying a premium for hides that are tanned just for, like, high-fashion luxury goods. They're using what's already there.
Precisely. They're maximizing a resource. And second, they use very minimal synthetic coatings.
Which is what gives you that real, authentic leather smell and feel.
Exactly. It avoids all those expensive and, frankly, unnatural chemical processes.
Mm-hmm.
And that minimalist approach leads right into the third pillar,
Which is?
the authenticity. They don't try to hide the natural marks on the leather.
Little scratches or variations you sometimes see.
Right. They actually call it a badge of honor. It's a sign that it's the real thing.
Yeah.
And by not throwing away a hide just because of a tiny natural mark,
They cut down on waste and costs.
a ton of waste and cost.
Yeah.
And those savings get passed right on to you.
That makes perfect sense. So we know they're legit. We know the quality's there. What's the actionable tip for someone listening who's thinking about buying one?
So we can definitely affirm the conclusion. Yes, it's high-quality, full-grain leather at a fantastic price. But the real pro tip, the insider move from the sources,
Yeah.
check out the Almost Perfect section on their website.
Almost perfect. Okay, why is that such a game changer?
Because the imperfections they're talking about are often so tiny you'd never even find them. Maybe a faint scratch or a slight difference in texture.
Things that would probably happen anyway after a few weeks of using the bag.
Exactly. Those marks get completely absorbed into that beautiful patina the bag develops. And you get the same bag, same full-grain leather for a huge discount.
So the big takeaway here is that the skepticism, while totally understandable, is unwarranted. They've built their whole business on transparency and just being smart about resources.
Which leaves us with one last thought for you to chew on. Think about this. Is the luxury market's push for this kind of chemical, machine-like perfection making us pay a massive premium for something that's, well, ultimately less authentic? PLG seems to be betting that you'd rather have the real thing, flaws and all.